How to fix video recording not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So, first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search camera app. After click on camera app, click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps and app management. Again click on camera app and click on storage usage. And if you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system update and click on this first option software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.